Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I look crusty and dusty, but let's get into the video. Okay, so I have the wig review. As you see behind me, you see all the clothes and stuff laid out. These are my outfits I had laid out. I was trying to find an outfit for today. Today is Zaria's birthday. Woohoo, yeah. Today is her birthday party. And I was trying to find the right look. And first, I started out with that peach number over there. Then I moved to that yellow number. Don't worry about this shirt because I wasn't going to wear that. Then I moved to this pink fit. Then I moved to that brown one over there. I fell in love with that brown one, and that's what I'm going to wear. So, I have a new wig for y'all. It's by DYHAIR777. And this is the packaging, of course. We're going to open the little baggie. The bag is cute, though. Comes in another little bag. You're going to open the bag. If we can get the bag open. I'm going to try to do this real fast. And this is a 20-inch Brazilian hair, 100% virgin hair, baby. And this is all the information on the back. Take a look. I'll give you a few minutes to write it down. I don't think you can see, it's kind of blurry. I don't know. Anyway, so let's take out the hair. Thank God it ain't a middle part wig. I am so sick of middle part wigs. Y'all keep sending me. I'm going to just start telling y'all behind no. But first of all, let's get into the lace. The lace is pretty good. And it is a 13x4. I can already tell. The hair is super duper soft. My fingers ain't getting tangled in it. It does not look like 20 inches, but y'all know how human hair wigs be. They don't be the exact length. I don't care what nobody say. So I'm definitely going to have to bleach. Wait. Am I not seeing or not? Hold on. Yeah, I see them. Okay. So I'm going to have to bleach the knots. Lord, I pray I do not over-process this hair or, you know, over-dye it or whatever. I mean, bleach it or whatever. But the first things first we got to do, we got to cut these combs out. So where's my little blue razor comb? I just had it. There it is. Okay. So we're going to cut these combs out on the side so the wig can lay flat when I spray it down. Y'all know I don't glue my wigs down no more. I've been using spray because I don't wear my wigs a whole week. I don't. I'm sorry. I work in a hot behind warehouse. There's no reason why I need to be wearing a wig every day. I cannot do it, y'all. I can't. I wish I was like these girls that can keep a wig on for 2 weeks. I can't do it. That's why I spray it down and I take it off right before I get into bed. Okay. Let's cut them out. Y'all can't see what I'm doing. Shein bags, don't worry about them. I was in the process of cleaning my room and I was like, let me go ahead and do this video. Don't worry, at least it ain't food and stuff all over the floor. Y'all just see clothes, and all these clothes that you see are clean. Because these are my outfits I had laid out. Boy, it's something about you. All right. We got all of those out. Now, I do not feel like bleaching. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't feel like bleaching. I don't think I'm going to. I'm gonna put some concealer on it, call it a damn day. Because I do, sometimes I won't bleach them the first time and I'll go back and do it like if I'm finna wear it again. But I do want it again because I'm definitely giving it, because the outfit I chose is giving bust down the middle. So that's exactly what I'm finna do, a middle part and just flat iron it and walk in that bitch like Pocahontas. So yeah, I do need to bleach it though. I don't feel like it, but I need to. I don't want to. I do not want to. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'll do it another day. Be honest, I don't have time to do this. Because I feel like Ashley's going to be calling me in a minute and be like, hey, I need you to come help me do this and this and this for the party. I just know she is. Let's see. Oh, y'all can't see. Yeah. I can't find my rat tail comb. What happened to all my stuff? what's holding you back with me. I can definitely tell they plucked it for sure. They definitely plucked it. It looks good. I feel like I don't even need to pluck it no more, but the hairline is good. At least, because these are the baby hairs, so. Probably like a little bit on the sides need to be plucked. I do not want to bleach these knots. I don't freaking feel like it. But you know me, I'm kind of a perfectionist. I don't want nothing looking hair. No, I'm not. Let me stop lying. Because sometimes I be like, fucking, be like, bump that shit. But, I don't feel like it. Because I mean, I have to blow dry it. I don't want to do all that. I don't want to do all that. And my room is not in place. And you know what, y'all? Give me a minute to get myself straight, and then I'll be right back. Excuse me, y'all. My allergies, I can't stand having allergies. Ain't nothing even wrong. I don't know. Be waking up more, nose stopped up and sneezing again. I think it's because I was standing outside yesterday. So aggravating. Anyway, so with this wig, I was going to originally wear just, you know, middle part, and I was just going to straighten it. But I was feeling crimps with my outfit, so I ended up crimping it. I noticed my wigs look better when I cut the lace off before I put the wig on. So right here, I'm putting it on, and then, you know, I'm trying to clip as I go. But for some reason, I feel like my wigs don't turn out the way I want them to when I do that. So I eventually took this wig back off, and then I went ahead and cut the lace. Then I went ahead and sprayed it down. This wig is probably one of the best ones I've had in a while. Like, the hair was, my curls stayed, like, and I mean stayed, like, they didn't immediately fall. Like, the hair was curlable and everything. Because some of the wigs, they be saying to me, they don't be that curlable, and then they be stank. They smell like chemicals and stuff. No matter how many times I've washed them, like, for real, for real. I bleached this one, and I almost over bleached it at the top, but it came out pretty good. I thought I cut this part out when I got mercy. I'm just glad y'all can't see nothing. I'm gonna have to go back and cut it out. Hold on. Okay, so I went back and cut that part out, so that's why you probably don't see what I'm talking about. But, yeah, this is the part where I actually took the wig off and I put it back on, and I cut the lace. And then I put it back on, or is it? You know, because it does look thinner than what I had it.
So sorry, I'm yawning. Look, I just woke up. It's Tuesday morning. It's my off day. I go to work tomorrow, so that's why I'm yawning. It's because I just woke up. And I realized I had to hurry up and upload this video. Yes, I'm finna let this set down on my head. Then I already flat ironed it. Now I'm going to crimp it. So, y'all stay tuned for that.
Yeah, okay. Now, this is the finished look. The wig look good, baby. The wig look good. All right, I get back to y'all. Oh, and this the fit. In the shoes. Oh, shit, I'm about to fall.